Hello guys, this is another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset Tecno L9. You can see, for those who doesn't know it, this is the phone. If you want to hard reset it, you first put the phone off by pressing power button. When it totally blacks out, then you click power button and volume up button all together at the same time. Press them at the same time together. Keep on pressing them until you see the screen popping up. When the screen pops up, you let go power button and keep on pressing volume up button. When you see this interface of Android recovery, you use volume down to scroll down till you see wipe data and factory reset for this phone. Then you use power button to select, scroll down until you see yes using minus button, then power button to select. You see it's swiping data there below. When you see this, then you reboot the system again to confirm that it has already formatted everything. Then on this interface, it normally stays too long, showing Nokia powered by Android. What you have to do, you have to wait for it until it finishes. It stays quite long. I've tried to speed up the video so that it doesn't take too long for you to watch, to go step by step. But if you want more videos of any phone, or if you'd like to start like phone repairing business, just subscribe this channel. It will be easier for you. I will be giving any video you feel like receiving on this channel, any video. If you want any tech video, just comment in the description or text me up. I will try to make that the right video you feel like having. I will try to do it for you, so that your work can be easier for you in whatever you're doing and enjoy the work very well. Then the tip which I have on this, on phone repairing, firstly, you have to be trustworthy and be doing nice job. Just first like your job. If you like your job and you be trustworthy, that means you will get more customers. People will start trusting you, will give you jobs anytime. So that's the main thing you have to follow when you're starting phone repairing job, cause many people fear like people who do repairs everything. But on this point, just try to have like trust within your clients. Then when it opens, you have to run the setup wizard of like a new phone. Here you skip on the network, you accept the Google services, on the time you click next because the time is right. You can put the name on, just leave it and continue. But my preference, just like putting Rollontop. On the fingerprint, you just skip it because we don't need it. On the Gmail, we can set up next like some other time. You select the country where you are, then you click next, accept terms and conditions. Now it's totally done. That's it guys. Please subscribe this channel for more content, more tech videos will be receiving on this channel. Thank you.